Implement an inventory management system to control inventory, track the usage of medications, and significantly reduce costs associated with wasted and expired supplies. Here's how one agency accomplished that and more by implementing the UCapIt Automated Inventory Management System.
Hi, I'm Dan Lotus with DC Fire EMS. I'm a firefighter paramedic with 12 years experience. The District of Columbia Fire and EMS Department has 34 firehouses and responds to 180,000 calls a year. As a large agency, managing supplies is important to our department because of the exponential cost of medications and the large network of fire stations and hospitals that we cover. The District of Columbia Fire and EMS Department's been utilizing the UCapIt system now for about 5 years. Before the system was put in place, we weren't able to identify how much product was actually being utilized. We could track how much product we were distributing, but we couldn't track how much was actually being utilized by our members. Before the system was put in place, we had individuals designated at each firehouse and on each shift who would do an inventory each week and place an order based on how they thought that the station should be stocked. The items that led us to implement a system were nationwide shortages, hoarding of medications, expiring medications that went unused, exponential cost of medications. These issues caused us to want a better supply management system. When we were first looking for a system to better help us, our medical director found the UCapIt system, and then through his network of emergency physicians was able to identify the hospitals which we would draft memorandums of understanding to place the machines in and have the space to put the machines. This allowed our units to have minimal downtime and out of service time and allowed them to get back in service faster. The UCapIt system is very easy to use. The learning curve was very minimal. The benefit of the UCapIt system, we were able to have a tighter inventory control of our medications, minimize the loss through expiration of the medications, and limit the amount of downtime and out of service time our units encompassed with restocking. With the implementation of the system, we've now been able to run restock reports, usage reports, and inventory consumption, and better utilize our ordering procedures. All of our members can go to the machines when we stock. We've actually designated restriction codes based on the provider's level of care on which medications and supplies they can dispense from the machine. It has been a lot easier to restock from the machines because we have the medications ready available rather than trying to hunt down different medications and supplies throughout the District of Columbia. The system has made the agency's management of supplies easier by taking the human factor out of guessing how much supplies we are going through and now have a hard data report which we can rely on. The benefits have definitely outweighed the cost of the machines. We were able to recoup the cost of the machines within approximately 3 months. The year before we had the UCapIt system in place, we distributed approximately 1,200 EpiPens. After placing the system in service, EpiPens dropped to approximately 300 EpiPens the next year. So we've been able to reduce our shrinkage and our hoarding numbers by having better accountability on who's been utilizing the machines and what medications and supplies they've dispensed from machines.
If you are an agency looking for a better way to control inventory, track the usage of medications, and significantly reduce costs associated with wasted and expired supplies, consider implementing an automated inventory management system like UCapIt. For more information or to request a demo, go to boundtree.com or call Boundtree at 800-533-0523.